Hi, this is the first of a series of videos to show you how to drive a Fusion 360 assembly using a game controller. I wanted to do this for quite a long time, really to show how you can do this, specifically if you're a company designing electromechanical assemblies. This is a superb way of showing users and customers how the assembly works before we've actually manufactured it. Please subscribe to my channel because this will be a series of videos. The second video will be how I set up the assembly to do this, and then the third video will be how to actually program it. So let's get started on this. I've got myself a cheap $10 Fusion Xbox controller, and as you can see, as I use the controller, I can drive this robot and move it around on the screen, and if I use button A, I can then pick up that block, move it around, drop it down, press button B, there we go, and that's the robot working and picking up blocks and so on and so forth. So please subscribe to the channel. I'll show you how this is done, and look forward to showing you the next couple of videos. Thank you very much.